Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. And is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.